Send order and shipment information to Postsale using Webhooks. Webhooks allow you to send order information to Postsale when an event occurs in your order source. You can import order details like the order number, order date, items associated with your order payment details and charges, and order notes. And you can include shipment details like the carrier, service, weight, and dimensions so that you can instantly compare rates and create shipping labels. Order and shipment information is sent to Postsale as soon as an event occurs in your order source. Ready to set up your webhooks? Our Use Webhooks to Import Orders help article is available with step-by-step instructions to help get you started. Want more Postsale quick tips? Be sure to subscribe to the Postsale YouTube channel and to check out the Postsale blog.